Yo, hello, hi, what's up? I decided I'm not going to do all of the presets lists in one video because I'm trying to hit the 5 minute mark. So this time, the way objects work are pretty cool. Like, they're just, just random environmental effects that you can just like paste and plop around the map. You can do stuff like stretch it out to make it a really big object. You can also rotate it by the way you do it. You go to the corner, you see this like little rotate mark, you can rotate around. I don't know if you have ever done that. Then if you want to keep its ratio, you can do like the corner. It'll keep its ratio and it'll just increase it side, width, height. Then you can just drag around through the center. It's pretty cool. And now you just got a big huge thing right here. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure objects see this hierarchy system. I didn't really go over it. I'm gonna probably just go over it through multiple videos. It's similar to the map layers where the one on top is always on top, I'm pretty sure. So this one's at the bottom, this one's above it, right? So if I move this up, does this go on top? No, it doesn't. So does it just use something as simple as Z position? So if I just like go and make this like 0, for example, yeah. So it uses Z position, so I'm pretty sure if I go to this object and I go to 0, it will go over it again. If I go 1, it goes under. So 0 is always on top, and then 1 is it continuously goes down from there. It's going to be useful if you're making a 2D map to know what plane certain objects are on, so that specific objects can appear ahead or in front of other objects. It's really cool, these system, but let me see if I can find it. Is it wow, I can't spell right now. There's a spring I wanted to show you over here, like the spring object right here. This is a spring block, right? And being a spring block, you would expect, I'm gonna click play, that it would launch you into the sky like springs do in video games. Well, in this, like I think I explained it in the last video, but I'm just showing it. Springs don't do anything. At least this spring block doesn't. If there's another spring block in the game that does have an interaction, I haven't really found it. I didn't see it yet. So springs don't do anything. So what you have to do is, if you want to make this spring work like in MapleStory, you're gonna have to use components. You're gonna have to use other things. Those are gonna be in a future video. I'm definitely gonna make a video on how to do this, because I had spent some time like learning how to make a spring, and it's really simple, but finding out what you need to know to do it was a lot of reading and work. Having that all in one quick video would be nice, so I'm going to do that in a future video. Yeah, so this is kind of how tile system works, where you can just plop different things down, you can move them, you can scale them, and you can kind of just, it's like dressing up your scene. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for staying to the end. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to like. The first video is pretty long. It's probably going to be the longest one for the entire series. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.